Hey guys, how's it going? Kimo here with another video. So I got this package in the mail today. Obviously I crossed out my address because I wanted to do a proper unboxing, which I usually rush into just opening new stuff. See if we can do this one-handed here. I think this is something I ordered on eBay. There we go, that's that side. Alright. There we go, let's see what's inside. Pretty well packaged. You can probably see what it is by now. Let's see. It's taped. Let's cut the tape. Sorry if I'm not really doing too well the shot here. Trying to cut with one hand and hold the camera with the other, so. I can go ahead and pull the bar out. That's a Husqvarna bar there. So you probably know what this is by now. It's another chainsaw. And it is a Husqvarna chainsaw. Man, this is going to be difficult to open up here. I'm going to go ahead and turn off the camera while I fight with this and then get this chainsaw out. Okay guys, so I got it out. It's a Husqvarna 36 air injection. And it is from 1995. It's a 36cc saw. So first look at it, I got it for pretty cheap, like $40 or $50 total. Looking at it, it's gonna need obviously a new bar nut, and stud. And the stud is missing also. And I also noticed that the shock, I think it is the rubber bushings, are worn out, as you can see there, so that should be too difficult to replace. Overall it's a pretty decent saw. I was going to get a Husqvarna 55 also, but ended up not being able to get one because I bought 3 chainsaws. So I'll be doing some videos on this, diagnosing what's wrong with it. They said it won't start, so I'm assuming plugged up carburetor probably. Hope the muffler's good. It's kind of rusty, so yeah, that's about it for now. Just thought I'd show you my little purchase here, and it's gonna be one of my winter projects. I also bought 2 steel chainsaws that I'll show you whenever those arrive, which I think is next week. And they're just homeowner saws, MS 180s. But I figured I could fix them and flip them, so yeah guys, that's about it for now. Let me know what you guys think about this little saw. I'm also planning on getting a Husqvarna 55 air injection also, and that can run a 20-inch bar, so that'll be nice for firewood. So it's got compression, so that's good. Alright guys, have a good night and I'll see you later.